should be a nice wedge shape in there anyway.
Yeah.
Even if it means
clean it up after
even if it means just tilting the engine just ever so slightly. That's fine.
You might have to go and have a look on the other side and see if it matches up.
Dude, you couldn't ask for better. All it is, if the measurements are exactly right, if the engine's going to go up that much, is it really going to matter?
Oh really? I can't see any dramas
saying
whatsoever
if
with
we
the
lift
engine
it
going
up,
up.
If we lift it up, it shouldn't be any drama by that much.
Yeah, but it's getting one up, getting it central again.
It was just like a blade's worth.
It didn't have chimney pockets going in? It looks fantastic in there, doesn't it? Seriously.
What do you reckon, Dennis?
Oh no, what do you reckon, Mark?
Well, I reckon if you and me are making this shifter,
Yeah.
we should call it a D&M.
I like it.
Welcome back to Zero to Hero. While you've been away at the ad break sucking down some food from the fridge, as you can see, the boys have been working hard. Have a look at this. Engine's under the bonnet, it's in there looking great. The panels are off, they're over at the panel shop. But have a look at this one over here as well. Down here you can see we've got the old intake manifold, the carving. It's looking pretty crusty, isn't it, brother? Hey, not looking too good at all.
That's good for the bin, that one.
That's good for the bin, so it's not going to go too far at all. We've also got the tail shaft down here. Have a look at this. We're going to have to cut and shut and keep this one moving and grooving to get the power going down to the back to smoke the tyres. Speaking of tyres, have a look at these puppies. Massive big 17-inch race rims. We're going to be bolting those babies on and it is going to be bling bling city. Over in the panel shop, the boys are working even harder than the guys in the workshop. Have a look how smooth the boot on this baby is. And check out the doors on the racks over here. The guys are working overtime. Whoa, 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 Jared, dude, what have you got there? Talk to me.
The colour guys, and I'm just gonna, it's top secret, mate. Not telling anybody.
You can't tell me what's going on?
Nah, you wait till it's done.
All right, okay,
My
well,
secret, mate.
I'll trust you on this one.
Too easy.
Out of it?
I can't pull me out of this one, I don't think I have yet.
No, you haven't. You've done it out of that one. You didn't do it out. That's it, flush as it is, dude. Boxer, get off.
Alright, it doesn't look like this fuel filter's been replaced since 1985. But this isn't going to stay here anyway because I don't really want the fuel pump down near the back tyres with sparks or whatever that's going to be hanging out of them. So we'll safely mount that in the boot.
Boy, they're my PJs, dude. What are you doing?
Yeah, they're the cleanest I've ever been, mate. Look at that.
Come on, that's just unfair.
Mate, this is like working hands, bro. Look at that. I reckon it's a job well done, bro. Between that and this stuff here, worked up brilliantly.
Well done. Alright, next step.
Zero to hero. Remember, whenever you're on screen, get double chin, look from the bottom, bring your head up, lose double chin.
What about the master radiator? The little one.
Behind us somewhere.
But we do need something quite large for the obvious. That one doesn't fit.
Which one? What about the Mazda one?
It's a burnout car. You can put whatever you like in there, it's still going to get hot. Where is the hammer?
here, and if we had more bonnet clearance.
Hang on, I'm looking at the holes here.
Go Holden.
Bit of weight saving.
Since the welder's set up in there, do you want to weld this up?
Leroy's using a TIG welder now, he reckons.
Just so use a MIG for this, sir.
We've established you've given it to me 2 times, and I have lost it again. Or did you put it here? Get over it. Do it a bridge.
Just gonna get Leroy to weld this up. Because we're gonna be yanking the shifter really hard forwards and backwards. Gonna make sure this bar doesn't bend.
You're taking it up already? Oi! Got these to take on. That! Oh, my sister in Melbourne called. And she didn't leave me any message. Nobody loves me, bro.
More joints.
Tell me when I can let go.
Shit. That's a shit.
So that if you're doing a burnout, you go first, second, drive. So it's in top gear and then you can't accidentally hit neutral.
D4 drag, bro. R4 race. And P for pass. And the thing just blew up.
Just replacing all the panels in the car. File them all down. File them up. And then for the final coat of colour. Wait there, don't open it.
I just yanked it up and the door opened. Oh my god. Oh no, dude. Give me the air ratchet card.
Does that make you sexy, baby?